Millions of people participate directly or indirectly in the U.S. economy. Consumers maximize their utility, that is their satisfaction, with limited resources. Thus begins the interaction between the buyer and the seller. There must be a buyer and a seller in every market transaction. The seller is on the supply side of the market. The buyer is on the demand side of the market. The market price of a good or service is determined by the supply and the demand for it. Elasticity refers to the degree buyers and sellers respond to price changes. The price elasticity of supply is used to learn how much of a change will occur to the supply quantity when the price changes. The price elasticity of demand measures how consumers respond to price change. Notice in the example, if the price rises and demand falls, then it's a negative value. If the price rises and demand increases, then it's a positive value. When an elasticity is greater than 1, we call that change elastic. That means that the quantity demanded and the quantity supplied is sensitive to price. When an elasticity is small, between 0 and 1, we call that change inelastic. Inelastic demands mean that the quantities demanded and the quantities supplied is not sensitive to price. Unit elasticity means that any change in price is matched with an equal relative change in quantity. Basically, a one-for-one change. Price ceilings are the maximum price set by the government for particular goods and services. Price ceilings are implemented when the government believes certain goods and services are being sold at too high a price and consumers need some help purchasing them. When the ceiling is set below the market price, then there will be an excess demand and a supply shortage. Demand will outstrip supply. When a price floor is set, a certain minimum amount must be paid for a good or service. If the price floor is higher than the market price, a surplus will be generated. Minimum wage laws are good examples of price floors.